stylemoe.diy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to convert your amazing old leggings to a top. And all you need for that is a pair of scissors. Turn your leggings inside out and place it on the floor. Fold it into two.
Sometimes I wonder.
Then cut the middle section, just a little piece.
You've got a piece of me, and honestly, my life
turns out to give you your first long sleeve crop top. You could either drag it down and make it a low neck, toggle the sleeve and make it a different look. Now for this part, if you want a deep V-neck, you ensure that you cut it a little bit close to the middle and then cut it long across the body in a very slim way so as not to make the neckline too wide. But since I've already cut this first one, all I need to do is just join up the deep V with the already cut round neck. And this is what it looks like. You can make it deeper if you want to, but I just guess that this is perfect already. Now for these particular leggings, you could convert it to different looks as you see so. As a mono strap,
what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me. I'm buying a chance about to fall in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown. What you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest.
as
It was a part of a silly joke.
kind of like mono strap with a single sleeve with a one hand sleeve. And this part you can convert it to a boob tube. Preferable for beach wear. Lastly, as an alter neck, this is a very perfect beachwear look for you. So these are all the looks I have, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Love and kisses. Bye.